Hello everyone.
Xin chào. Okay. What? Me. Oh, my name is John and I am Reggie. Actually, before, yes, some of the Catholic churches in the Philippines are only accepting students who are Catholic. But now, in this modern year, they are not. They are accepting every student, whatever it is the religion. They are not considering it like only since this is Catholic school, only Catholic students can go here. It's not like that anymore. They're accepting whoever it is, whatever the religion is, international students. The artist in this museum is Vicente S. Manzala. He's from Kapampangan and also a good artist. He studied the arts or the painting in different country, and then that's why we or the school give him a museum like this.
Just to add on to his explanation, we have 4 different rooms until the 3rd room are his artworks and sculptures. So only one artist made those artworks from the first room. And for our 4th room, we have the personal belongings of Vicente, which includes the award that Vicente got from the former president, Marcos Sr. We have the National Artist Medallion. So the National Artist Medallion is the highest award that an artist could get.
I thought this is about art.
No. It consists of different kinds of courses, and also for the basic education, which is very in school. What we have here for the arts, so these are museums to promote the culture and history of Kapampangans, which the Kapampangans are the ones who are living here at Pampanga.
What? One more time. We started this kind of museums in 2016, and then all of this from the first to the last room, some of them were donated by the family of Vicente S. Manzala, but some of them the school bought it. Since we have to, we have to collect a lot of artworks to make this one bigger. And for you to see how good it is, or how good our Kapampangan is.
And
So these ones are his possessions, personal belongings. So such as we have the awards of our artist, Vicente Manzala, and we also have some of his hobbies, such as for golfing, some of his shoes, his cane, and then some of his paintbrush and paint materials. He was born at 1910 and then died at Makati, a place here at the Philippines, 1980.
Thank you. Thank you.